Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to talk about whether you can use music created with Suno AI for commercial purposes and how its licensing actually works. The short answer is yes, you can use Suno AI generated music commercially. However, there are a few important points you need to understand about the license. When you create a track using Suno AI, you're generally allowed to use it in projects that generate income. This includes things like YouTube videos, advertisements, games, podcasts, and other business-related content. This makes Suno AI more flexible than many free music platforms that restrict usage to personal projects only. That said, there's a key limitation. The license typically does not grant exclusive rights. Since the music is generated by AI, other users could create tracks that sound very similar, especially if they use similar prompts or styles. Another important point is that Suno AI music is usually royalty-free. This means you don't have to pay ongoing fees or share revenue after using the track, even if your content becomes popular. However, royalty-free doesn't mean exclusive ownership. You can use the music freely, but you don't fully own it in a way that prevents others from generating something similar. In most cases, full copyright ownership or exclusivity is not included in the standard license. If you need exclusive rights, for example, for a major brand campaign, you may need to look into custom licensing or contact Suno directly for special agreements. Commercial use typically covers a wide range of content, including monetized videos, advertising campaigns, mobile apps, games, podcasts, and client work. Just make sure you follow Suno's terms of service. Generally, you're allowed to use the music in commercial projects, but you can't claim ownership of the AI system itself. To sum it up, Suno AI music can be used commercially and is usually royalty-free, which is a big advantage. However, the license is not exclusive, and similar tracks may be created by others. If exclusivity is important for your project, it's best to explore additional licensing options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.